Children, let us learn what is neutralization and what is heat of neutralization. See this one, neutralization. The reaction between an acid and a base is called neutralization. Is called neutralization. Here, see this one. I have taken an example, sulfuric acid and potassium hydroxide. It is an acid and this one is a base. What is the reaction here? First thing, water is formed and potassium sulfate K2SO4 is formed. And this is, what is this? A salt. This is a salt. And at the same time, certain amount of heat is liberated. See this one. It is a acid, it is a base. So the reaction between an acid and a base, which gives, what is that? A salt and water, and certain amount of heat is liberated. So that heat is known as, what we call it? Heat of neutralization. What we call it? Heat of neutralization. Heat of neutralization. Heat of neutralization. So what is heat of neutralization? The heat liberated during the neutralization of an acid and a base. The reaction between an acid and a base always gives a salt and water. That reaction is known as, what we call it? Neutralization. The heat so liberated is known as, what we call it? Heat of neutralization. Let us do an activity to prove heat of neutralization. That is, heat is liberated during the addition of base to an acid or acid to a base. Let us do an activity for that one. Children, for that one, I am taking a base, potassium hydroxide. What is that? Potassium hydroxide. Now, see, I kept the test tube on this side. And sulfuric acid, I am taking, what is that? Sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid. See this one? Reading, sir. Reading correct. The initial temperature of clinical thermometer is 25 degrees centigrade. How much? 25 degrees centigrade. Observe this one. 25 degrees centigrade. Now what I am doing? I am adding. Observe the reaction, children. I am adding a base to an acid. Observe the reaction. See this. See the reaction, children. Now, observe the temperature. The temperature is rising. Observe this carefully. Observe this carefully, children. What is the temperature? What is the temperature? See this one. Now the temperature is 62 degrees. Observe this carefully, children. 62 degrees centigrade. Okay. So the reaction between an acid and a base. Okay, the reaction between an acid and a base always gives the salt and water. Certain amount of heat is liberated. The heat so liberated is known as, what we call it, heat of neutralization. A salt is formed. Observe this one. A salt is formed at the bottom. A salt is formed at the bottom. This salt is, what is the salt? Potassium sulfate. What is the name of the salt? Potassium sulfate. Okay, are you clear about that one, children? So, the reaction between an acid and a base is called neutralization. So, a salt is formed. Here I have shown, that is potassium sulfate salt is formed when the reaction takes place between sulfuric acid and potassium hydroxide. So, what is the heat liberated? Certain amount of heat is liberated. I have shown the rise in the temperature with the help of the laboratory thermometer. Laboratory thermometer. So, what is heat of neutralization? The heat liberated during neutralization process is called heat of neutralization. Heat of neutralization. Heat of neutralization. Heat of neutralization. The heat liberated during the neutralization process is called heat of neutralization. Then what is the heat of neutralization in the case of strong acid and strong base? In the case of strong acid and a strong base, heat of neutralization is neutralization is 13.7 kilocalories. 13.7 kilocalories per mole. What is the heat of neutralization? 13.7 for strong acid and strong base. In the case of weak acid and strong base, it is less than 13.7 kilocalories. It is practically it is calculated as 13.4 kilocalories. Okay, you will learn in your higher classes. Okay, children, what we learnt in this class? I told you what is neutralization. What is neutralization? What is neutralization? Neutralization is a process of the reaction between an acid and a base, to form salt and water. Simply we can represent like this also. The neutralization process can be written like this. See this one here I am writing simply A plus B gives rise S plus W plus heat. A stands for acid, B stands for base, S stands for salt, H stands for heat. That's all. Simple thing. A plus B gives rise S plus W plus H. Okay, base and W stands for what is that? Water. Water. Okay. Are you clear, children? Thank you, children.